Today, people are thinking more about what they buy and where it comes from. 7farms makes it easy to make good choices. 7farms features products that are certified organic, gluten-free, non-GMO, vegan, or fair trade. It's easy to get creative and put together delicious, satisfying, and healthy meals with 7farms. See for yourself with this great recipe for sweet marmalade mustard glazed chicken thighs. 7farms is another brand brought to you by Federated Foods. Sweet marmalade mustard glazed chicken thighs are made with great 7farms organics. And when you start with the best ingredients, you can make something that's nutritious, tastes great, and lets you feel good about your choices. Here are the ingredients. So, first, we are going to brown the chicken thighs. Then they're gonna go in a 375 oven to cook through. So preheat your oven to 375. To brown the chicken, we wanna make sure that they're nice and dry. So give them a little pat with a paper towel, then just season with a little bit of salt and some pepper. Great. Put 2 tablespoons of canola oil in an already nice hot skillet. And then we're just gonna place the chicken thighs, skin side down, and you wanna just leave them in the pan. Don't move them around for about 7 to 8 minutes on medium-high heat, and they will get a nice golden brown crust. These are looking great. So we're gonna put them in a baking pan, and then they're gonna go in our preheated oven for about 25 minutes until they're done and cooked through. We're gonna wipe out the excess oil, and then we're gonna add in a 1/4 cup of chicken broth. Also, this is gonna make it very glazy and delicious, a 1/4 cup of honey. Next, I've got a 1/2 cup of orange marmalade. Now, to spice it up a little bit, we're gonna use some spicy brown mustard. This is 3 tablespoons. And just to give it a little zip, I've got some apple cider vinegar, and this is 2 tablespoons worth. Stir it all together over low heat until it's nice and smooth, and we'll get the chicken. When the chicken is done, just put those thighs back in the glaze so that we can coat them really nice and well. What I love about this recipe is that it's just really easy, but also impressive. You can also serve the glaze on the side in case anyone wants just a little extra. For a copy of this recipe, visit 7farms.com. 7farms is another brand brought to you by Federated Foods.